lovelies, today I'm turning 3 jar lids into magical fluid art pours, all bursting with cosmic cells and bright colour. Today, this video is part of the Venom Fluid Art Express Christmas collab. So a big shout out to the amazing Wombat and Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. And these are all the amazing friends and artists who are in our Christmas collab today. Please go and give them some love. Today up before me is the awesome Nathan from the Fine Art of Distraction and the amazing Grandma Kathy's Art Ventures right after me. It was such an honour to be invited along to join the Christmas collab with Venom Fluid Art, and I really wanted to lean into that bold Venom energy, those popping cells, vibrant colours they use, that magical cell activator that we all love. So this video is all about acrylic pouring and cosmic popping cells. Now, as you know, I absolutely adore animals, so I had to get a few of my little friends involved, and here's Bubba. He's absolutely gorgeous, isn't he? He dressed up especially for you guys today. So I just wanted to give you a little glimpse into how I spend my time when I'm not doing my art and working. This is Bubba. And here's Bobby. Aren't they gorgeous? Thank you so much, my gorgeous friend Jill, for just spending their time with her and her horses. And happy Christmas from Eve as well. So today, my lovely friend Colin, who is in Australia at the moment, came up with some amazing pictures of kangaroos and a wombat and a black wallaby, so I had to put his amazing pictures in there today. Thank you for joining us all today, and if you'd like to see what all the other creators have done, I'll put the playlist in my description and in my pinned comments below. Before we get cozy with the couple and settle in and pour something special together, I want to show you this piece of art and this piece of art from my lovely friend Kathy, who's one of my students and dear friends, and she got published in this magazine recently. So congratulations, Kathy. I really want to acknowledge all your achievements. You're an amazing artist and dear friend. So what a wonderful celebration today. I'm just so excited to be part of this collab and celebrate Christmas with some of my most amazing, wonderful friends and artists. So I'm starting off by masking up these jar lids, and I'm going to do a swipe and I'm going to blow it out really gently to let those cells begin to open. But this prep is so important so you get that really lovely straight line around the jar lids before you fix it back on and have it as a piece of art. So these pieces are a part of the Venom Fluid Art Christmas collab, and I wanted to honour that bold Venom style that we all love. Their high energy colours, their magical cell activators, and those explosive cells that feel alive. Please check out their channel, and there's so many amazing tutorials on there showing you how to use cell activator, how to produce amazing cells, and with a wealth of knowledge. So big shout out to you guys. Absolutely love your work. I'm starting off with a swipe and I'm going to blow it out gently and let those cells begin to open. But before I do that, I just want to show you the consistency of my paints and my cell activators. Really nice flow, flows off the stick just like warm honey. And I've got a drop of silicone to add bigger cells as well, and I use the heat gun as I go along just to help all of those cells open up. So I'm going to leave you some music, enjoy the ride as I produce these really vibrant, exciting jar lids, pieces of art that you can do at home. Really simple things. And I'd love to know what you think in the comments below. So I'm just starting off now, laying down the base paint of black and adding the colour, using Crawford & Black, one of my favourite base paints. All the other paints are Pebeo. Cell activator is Australian Floetrol. Mixed 50% Floetrol, 50% Amsterdam Black and Amsterdam White, depending on which one I use. And all of the paints are, I'll show you in the description below exactly how I mix them. I also have playlists showing you how you can mix them on step-by-step tutorials as well. So hang around for that if you like. And thank you so much to everyone who bought me a coffee last week. I really appreciated it. And, you know, it really helps me to buy all the supplies that I use on these collabs. And I do a lot of commissions and I do paintings for charity. And it just really helps. So I just want to say thank you so much. So enjoy the ride, enjoy the colours and the cell popping and the vibrant colours of these fluid art pieces. And I'll see you towards the end for the wet and the dried results. So you can see the different ways that I tilted and moved the paint to create different effects. And I just really hope you enjoyed these 3 magical jar lid pours. It was such a joy to create for the Venom Fluid Art Christmas collab. Now if you're new here, feel free to just subscribe and join our little cosmic art family. And those of you who have been here for a while, you know I adore you. So let me know your favourite pour in the comments. And let's give a huge shout out to Venom Fluid Art and all the amazing creators in this collab together. Before before me was Nathan from the Fine Art of Distraction, the amazing artist and friend, and the wonderful friend Kathy from Grandma Kathy's Art Venture is up after me, so please check out their videos. They're so amazing. And here's some more little sneak peeks of Colin's photos to remind you all that this collaboration, Venom Fluid Art, is all based in Australia. How cool is that? So thank you so much for joining us all today, sending you lots of love, and please let me know what you thought of this in the comments below. Don't forget the playlist for this whole collab is in the description in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here, and don't forget that your art is a piece of you. Wishing every single one of you the most amazing and happy Christmas time. Keep shining. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.